An update on the Covid-19 situation here. No cases in the community among the 9 new infections confirmed today.
Well, today's count, though, includes 1 case in a dormitory and 8 imported. The Health Ministry will share more details later tonight.
A man and woman linked to a series of thefts of Budget 2020 grocery vouchers from HDB letterboxes have been charged. Mikhail Wahyudin Abdullah was charged with 3 counts of theft, while Awani Nur Amira Azami was charged with 2 counts of theft. Both stand accused of stealing 15 grocery vouchers valued at $10 each from the letterboxes of 2 victims. The amount allegedly stolen totaled $300.
Corporate and individual taxpayers contributed more to the government's coffers in the past financial year, but analysts cautioned that the pace could slow down on the back of the Covid-19 pandemic. The Inland Revenue Authority of Singapore collected $53.5 billion in taxes in the fiscal year 2019-2020, 2.1% more than a year earlier. Now, IRS's collection accounted for 72% of government operating revenue, and this amount represented 10.5% of Singapore's GDP or economic output.
Singapore's public service is set to revamp how its officers are assessed. This in response to industry disruptions and the challenges brought on by the pandemic. Speaking at the virtual public service observance ceremony, part of the annual Public Service Week, Minister in charge of the Public Service, Chan Chun Sing, noted the need to update the currently estimated potential system, adding that the career roadmap for officers should be for the next 3 to 5 years and not the next 30 years. Senior public service officers too should gain exposure to policy, operations and communications or mobilization work. They should also have stints outside the public service in the people and private sectors.
Well, also present at the ceremony was Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong, who thanked public officers for their work during the Covid-19 pandemic. He also acknowledged shortcomings in the government's response and expressed gratitude for their dedication.
We fought off the virus, kept our people safe, and took care of workers and families. Public officers have put in your heart and soul and given it everything you have. Without high-quality, dedicated public officials, we wouldn't have stood a chance. This Public Service Week, I salute all our public officers for your dedication and efforts. Thank you for what you have done and continue to do. The fight is not over, our battle continues. But together, we will overcome.